Hey guys, I spent the last 4 days in Kyoto with my parents and my brothers. Now I'm heading to Osaka to see my friends. I'm excited to see a friend that I haven't seen in 20 years. And also can't wait to see a couple other friends that I haven't seen in 4, maybe 5 years. And when you're in Osaka, you have to eat. My friend took me to this takoyaki restaurant. It was so good that I had to come back the next day.